Madraskaaran. A predictable collision course of action and drama. Madraskaaran, directed by Vali Mohan Das, is a Tamil action drama that delves into themes of guilt, ego, and societal constraints. The film marks the Tamil debut of Malayalam actor Shane Nigam, whose entry into Kollywood was eagerly anticipated. Despite its intriguing premise, Madraskaaran falls short of being a memorable cinematic experience, weighed down by predictable storytelling, underwhelming character development, and a lack of emotional depth. The plot follows Sathya, Shane Nigam, a young man whose life spirals into chaos after an unforeseen accident. As he grapples with guilt and the weight of societal judgment, he finds himself at odds with Singham Kalayarasan, a fierce and intimidating adversary. What begins as a psychological exploration of human fragility soon morphs into a predictable series of confrontations and misunderstandings, leading to a narrative that feels both convoluted and overly familiar. Shane Nigam delivers a sincere performance as Sathya, bringing vulnerability and emotional depth to the character. His portrayal of a guilt-ridden young man is commendable, showcasing his acting range and ability to internalize complex emotions. However, the script offers limited scope for his character's growth, making it challenging for the audience to connect with his journey. Kalayarasan, as the antagonist Singham, gives a powerful performance, exuding menace and authority. Yet, the lack of nuanced interactions between the two leads dilutes the impact of their conflict. Supporting roles, though competently performed, fail to leave a lasting impression due to inadequate characterization. One of the film's biggest drawbacks is its screenplay, which relies heavily on cliches and predictable twists. The narrative structure lacks innovation, with most plot developments telegraphed well in advance. While the film attempts to explore complex themes such as guilt and societal expectations, it fails to delve deep enough to make a lasting impact. The inclusion of multiple subplots and red herrings only adds to the confusion, detracting from the core story and making the 2-hour runtime feel unnecessarily stretched. The film's setting is one of its few strong points. The rural backdrop, captured with skill by the cinematography team, adds an earthy authenticity to the narrative. The lush landscapes and rustic charm of the village serve as a fitting contrast to the tension brewing among the characters. However, the technical excellence of the visuals is undermined by the inconsistent tone of the film. The background score, while apt in certain moments, occasionally feels overbearing, as if compensating for the lack of emotional engagement in the screenplay. The director's attempt to mix action with drama is evident but falls short in execution. The action sequences, though choreographed with precision, lack the adrenaline-pumping intensity one would expect from a film in this genre. The emotional arcs, which should have been the film's backbone, are underexplored, leaving the audience yearning for a deeper connection to the characters. Critics have been divided in their opinions about Madraskaaran. While Shane Nigam's performance has garnered praise, the overall narrative has been criticized for its lack of originality and engagement. The Times of India notes, despite competent performances, Madraskaaran can't overcome the weight of its own contrivances. Cinema Express highlights the film's inability to craft memorable characters or a compelling emotional core, stating, "It is disheartening to not find a single impressive character or an overriding emotional theme in a film like this." OTT Play similarly points out the uneven writing, remarking, "Shane Nigam shining in sporadic portions doesn't help connect emotionally to this unevenly written drama." In conclusion, Madraskaaran is a film that shows glimpses of potential but ultimately falters in its execution. Shane Nigam and Kalayarasan deliver noteworthy performances, but their efforts are not enough to salvage a narrative bogged down by predictability and lackluster writing. While the film might appeal to audiences looking for a straightforward action drama, it lacks the depth and innovation required to leave a lasting impression. For viewers seeking a fresh and engaging cinematic experience, Madraskaaran may not be the game changer they were hoping for.